Welcome to the ultimate Squid Game Quiz. Are you a true fan or just another player in the game? We've got 10 intense questions, each harder than the last. Choose a B or C, and remember, in this game, one wrong move could cost you everything. Are you ready? Let the game begin. What color tracksuit do the players wear in Squid Game? Green. What is the prize money for winning the Squid Game? $45.6 billion. What game is played in the first round? Red light, green light. What number is given to the main character, Gi-hun? For 156. What shape is not found on the guards' masks? Star. What food is given to players before the second game? Boiled eggs. What is the second game in the series? Dalgona candy.
Who is player 001?
The old man. What was the front man's past profession? Squid Game winner. What is the final game played? Squid Game. Game over. How many did you get right? 0 to 2, you're eliminated. 3 to 5, you're a red light rookie. 6 to 7, you're surviving, but barely. 8 to 10, congratulations, you're a true Squid Game champion.